All right, welcome back. Today we're going to be working on our Reading Mastery program for Kinder Lesson 75. We're going to start off with some words. Okay, so we're going to sound it out, then say it fast. Here we go. Listen. Sand. Your turn. Get ready. What word? Yes, sand. We see sand at the beach. Next word, listen. Late. Your turn. Get ready. What word? Yes, late. I am running late. Next word. Listen. Rain. Your turn. What word? Yes, rain. It's going to rain. Next word. You're going to sound it out, then at the end we're going to say it fast. First word. An. Your turn. What word? Yes, an. Next word. Name. Your turn. What word? Yes, name. And your turn.
Are you there?
What word? Yes, and. Good reading. Now you're going to read the words in the box the fast way. Remember, don't sound it out. Just say the word. Here we go. Think. What word? Yes, an. Next word. Think. What word? Yes, name. Think. What word? Yes, and. Good reading. All right, so here are our last set of words. Listen. Sick. Your turn. What word? Yes, sick. The boy is sick. Now, this word rhymes with sick. Say it fast. Rhyme with sick. What word? Yes, lick. Now we're going to sound it out. Listen. Lick. Your turn. What word? Yes, lick. Next word. Listen. Hate. What word? Your turn. Get ready. What word? Yes, hate. Last word. Listen. Came. Your turn. What word? Yes, came. Good reading. Now you're going to read all of these words the fast way. Remember, don't sound it out. Just say the word. Think. What word? Yes, sick. Next word. Think. What word? Yes, lick. Think. last word. What word? Yes, came. Good reading. All right, guys, don't forget to go ahead and read the story for lesson 75. We'll see you later.